Hey, how you doing? This is Artiz Strouds, just coming to you, recording from my iPhone 8 Plus. I really wanted to come to you guys to show you something that's very simple that I use. This is my screen. I took a photo on today, which is February the 8th at 6:29 a.m. in the morning. This is the photo that it came out to be, and the reason I'm doing this video is because I want you to learn how to use what you have. You don't have to get Adobe Premiere, you don't have to get Adobe anything, Express or whatever. You can use what you have. When I started doing photos for Sweet Rose Denton, you'll look us up, Sweet Rose Denton on Instagram and Facebook. I had switched from doing just using my regular phone, and I bought an iPhone 8 Plus. And as you see up here to the top left, it says portrait mode. Portrait mode gets that hazy background that you can see right there in this photo that you're looking at. But specifically, I did this just to make better photos and put them on Instagram and people to like our photos more. So I do the same thing here. So let's go ahead and get into this, and let me show you what I do. If I want to duplicate this at the bottom left, I click on that download button, and then I click on duplicate. Okay. Once I do that, I press the back arrow at the top left, go down to the very bottom, and then I click on the one that I duplicated. At the top right, there's edit. Click on edit. Here, you're able to, just change some things up. You can do lighting, changes up, but I just keep it at natural light actually, and I go to at the bottom right, or the bottom, the third one to the bottom is that you can change it, brighten it up. You can do different ones just depending on your feel. I always like light colors. If you want to take it all the way back, just go back to the original, but I would do the second one. The second one allows me to choose the exposure and everything else that I want to do. So there's a, at the bottom, you play with it, you move it, and you can see what exposure that it gives it. Okay. Then you're able to go further and do more and lighten it up. And like I just said, I'm a bright person. I like colors. And as you see here, that when it initially came out, it wasn't like this. So then I can change it up. I can highlight it. I can do whatever with the photo that I have. But you can go through here and play with this. And this is, like I said, I don't have an iPhone 811. I have an iPhone 8 Plus. Okay. So I'm just going to leave it here. At the bottom right, if you click the done button, that adjusts it and makes it to the updates that you have made. I'm going to go ahead and click cancel, and I'm going to show you the one that I made. So yes, I took that one, but right here, this is the one that I'll be posting on February the 9th, okay, of 2020, to my personal page, my Facebook page, Artiz Strouds, Artiz Stroud, the same as my, my YouTube channel. And come request me as a friend. I don't bite. But basically that is it. You could use what you have in order to make the impact that you want to make. We complicate things too much. Keep it simple. Just learn to play with the things that you have. My wife, she also does music. Her handle is Monique Yvette Music. She's on Instagram as well as on Facebook. But we play with the same thing. We use our closet in order to do music for her. We don't have padding in there, so you'll see her latest song that she's done, You Will, was done pretty much from the closet. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, I just want to encourage those that are out there that are seeking to do great things, that you do not need much. Start with where you are. Start before you're ready, and you will succeed. You know what I'm saying? Later on, you can upgrade as you have the money in order to do some great things, but you don't have to do that starting out. So hopefully this has been an encouragement for you. Please leave a comment down below about the favorite part of this, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. And lastly, share this with one other person that you know that will help them get out of their own way and use what they have, and stop using the excuse that, hey, I don't have money to do this, I don't have money to do that. Use what you have. And that's the basis of the point that I'm seeking to make in doing this video. But hey, hopefully I pray that this blessed you. If you have any other questions, any comments, leave them below. Look forward to dropping more content, more useful content for you. But all right, take care. Peace.